Repeat and remember English words. Shoes. Please, listen to the new words.
Rubber boots. Flip-flops. Sandals. House slippers. Sneakers. Athletic shoes. Ballet flats. High-heeled shoes. Over-the-knee boots. Shoes. Boots.
Please, listen and repeat the new words aloud after the speaker.
Ballet flats. Shoes. Athletic shoes. High-heeled shoes. Sneakers. Boots. House slippers. Over-the-knee boots. Sandals. Flip-flops. Rubber boots.
Please, test yourself. Try to remember the new words looking at the pictures.
Over-the-knee boots. Boots. Rubber boots. Flip-flops. Sandals. House slippers. Sneakers. Ballet flats. Athletic shoes. High-heeled shoes. Shoes.
Please, test yourself. Listen to a new word and remember what it means.
Shoes. High-heeled shoes. Ballet flats. Athletic shoes. Sneakers. House slippers. Sandals. Flip-flops. Rubber boots. Over-the-knee boots. Boots.
Please, test yourself. Listen and write down the new words.
Flip-flops. Sandals. House slippers. Rubber boots. Over-the-knee boots. Boots. Ballet flats. Athletic shoes. High-heeled shoes. Sneakers. Shoes.
The lesson is over. Thanks for your attention. Please follow our YouTube channel for updates.